Okay, my name is Adrian. Welcome to English with Adrian, helping you expand your English, expand your vocabulary, and speak like a native Englishman. Let's talk about how to introduce yourself and talk about yourself so people can get to know you. You can meet people, you can get a girlfriend, talk about yourself. Let's look at introducing yourself first. Hello. Always a good start. My name is... You tell me. Afsoon? My name is Afsoon. My name is Adrian. You tell me. Hi. Hi. Well, I don't know who you are. I'm you. I'm me. I'm Adrian. Here to see. Nice to meet you. Again, I'm Adrian. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. I'm Adrian. I'm Adrian. It's a pleasure. A pleasure. A pleasure to see you. It's a pleasure to see you. A pleasure to see you. I'm your host. Welcome aboard. It's a pleasure to see you. I'll be your captain. Cool. Some nice ways to introduce yourself. Well, say hello, who it is you're talking to, and introduce yourself. I'm Adrian. I'm Afsoon. Who else we got? Who else? Let's keep going. So, let's talk about when you like something. What you like, what you enjoy. Nicely straightforward, actually. I like. I like. I like this. I like that. I like teaching. I love. I love being successful. I love creating things so you can see it. I love building what's the word? Duplicity, like duplicating myself and creating, and love being visible, love being fashionable as well. I enjoy something you get out of pleasure, from pleasure, something fun. I enjoy. Well, everything really. I enjoy teaching. I enjoy teaching. I adore. Frankly, I adore making money. It's quite important. It's a quantifiable way of looking at your success, and the world is saying you're doing a good job. I adore it. A stronger version of love. It's French, but still, it's a borrowed word, loan word. I adore, love entirely. I'm crazy about something. I'm crazy about China. Insofar, I work a lot with Chinese students. So the more I learn about China, like food, culture, language, body language, gestures, the more I can connect. I'm crazy about China. Just pure coincidence. China. If it was Russian students, it would be Russia. I'm crazy about China. I'm mad. A bit like crazy, but a bit more, maybe more eccentric, more weird, more ludicrous, more insane, more mad. I'm mad about that's it. I'm mad about building things. This video, the next video, the one before it, after it, and beyond. I'm mad about creating more, creating. I am mad about it. What are you mad about? Yeah. Let's keep going. Okay, so let's expand upon that. So, I prefer... You got a choice of things. I prefer tea over coffee. I prefer tea over coffee. I don't know what else I prefer. I prefer tea over coffee, but I prefer water over tea. Yeah, it's healthier. I'd prefer of these two, I'd prefer to have tea. I prefer not to have coffee. Yeah. I like tea better than coffee. It's better, I like tea. The tea is better than something else. I would rather. Kind of like prefer, but I would rather. It's like, I'd rather not. No thanks. I'd rather this. I'd rather that. No thanks. I'd rather stay here. I'd rather stay here. I'd rather stay in England. I'd rather stay with you. I'd rather stay here in the building. I'd rather not stay here. I'd rather not stay here, you know. I'd rather not stay with you. I'd rather take. I'd rather take. I'd rather take my chances than stay here. I'd rather take a pen, a red pen, than a green one. The green ones don't work for some reason. I'd rather take the red. I'd rather play. I'd rather play with you. I would rather play the lottery than go over there. I would rather play the lottery than stay here talking to talking to him, talking to whoever. No. I would rather. You got a choice of things. I'd rather this. I'm very happy with my suspenders. I'm very happy with these pens. Very happy. Cheap. They last a couple of videos. They're actually quite good. I'm very happy teaching English. I'm very happy building a business. I'm very happy doing this. Very happy doing that. What are you very happy at? I don't think you can do that. I think I can do that. I don't think you can do it. I think I can travel to France. I don't think you can, though. Maybe there's something wrong elsewhere, or can you do it? I don't know. Can you travel to France? I'd prefer if you told me. I'd like to know. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't think you can, but I'm not sure. I feel a little sad. I feel a little sad. I feel a little excited. I feel very excited. I feel a little happy. I feel a little happy about the whole situation. I feel a little excited about what's happening. I feel a little glad what happened last night. It's been difficult. Oh, it's been difficult teaching. It's been difficult standing up straight for ages. It's been difficult. It's been difficult walking to Isle of Wight. It's been difficult walking to Edinburgh. It's been difficult talking to you. I can't hear you. It's a bit difficult to talk to you because I can't hear you. Still can't hear you. I don't think you can. I don't think you can talk because I can't hear you. It's a little difficult. A little difficult. He made her him. He made her associate. He made him. He made him the boss. He made him in charge. He made him lose the contract. I've been made important. I've been made ambassador. I've been made a chancellor. I've been made top dog. I feel I feel tired. Yeah. I feel tired. You don't seem so good. I feel tired. You seem tired. Are you tired? You look tired. You seem tired. I think you're tired. I don't think you're happy. I would rather you sleep. I would rather you stay here and not drive. You seem tired. I have got a ticket to the concert and I feel amazing. I feel excited. I feel ecstatic. I have an opportunity to record a video. Yeah, I've got opportunity to record a video. I've got time to record a video. I'm taking it while I can and I feel excited to get it out there. I got the chance. I've got free time and I feel ready and locked and loaded to record this video and do, I don't know how many more, about 5 or so more, at least. I have to push it. Push. I feel excited to create things. Feel excited to achieve things, yes. Feel excited. I've got an opportunity and I'm going to take it. Yeah. Let's look at some other words and phrases. Let's keep going. Oh, so let's look at these words then, shall we? What do you do? What do you do? For a living, for job, for fun, for entertainment. What do you do? For a living, for example, I've got a party to go to. I've got a plan. I've got a holiday. I've got a part-time job. Actually, not a question. I have. Then where do you work? Where do you live? Where do you party? I work from home. Home. Ah, home. 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 In a factory. Fabrica. Factory. In a factory. Maybe an office. In an office. With a computer. Office. Paperwork. An Excel sheet. What is your job? What is your job? I'm a doctor. A doctor. Doctor. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. Teach. I teach English. Or I'm not working. I'm not working. Maybe retired. Anything. I'm not working. No. Or I'm unemployed. I don't have a job. I'm unemployed. Unemployed. Oh, unemployed. Unemployable. Interesting. Even, I do the paperwork. What do you do? I teach English. I'm a teacher. I teach. I teach. I teach. What do you do? What do you do? I wonder, what do you do? I have my own business. Ooh, this is powerful. I have my own business. Definitely, yeah. I have my own business. Teaching English, actually. Do you have your own business? Doing stuff? I met some interesting people yesterday, and one person has her own business. A courier, carrying things. Special delivery from here to there. A courier. Do you like your job? Do you like your job? Do you like it? Do you like it? I like it. Work my own hours, whenever I want, as many or as few hours as I want, from home, which is amazing. Amazing. And for the UK as well, the money is really good. Very good. So I work. Do you like your job? Yes, I do. Do you like your job? I like my job. I can work from home. I can just teach English. I can teach English. I can speak 5 languages. Whoa! Better watch out for me. I'm dangerous. I can do whatever I want. What can you do? You can do. She can climb mountains. she can climb Snowdonia. Oh, Snowdonia. Yeah. I can't. I can't help you. I can't. I can't teach you. I can't heal you. I can't be there tomorrow. I can't do something for you. I've got a job. I'm busy. I can't do this. I can't swim 2 kilometers. I can't do this. I can't do that. Yeah. Can't. Oh, this pen, it can't work. Look at that. You can barely see it. Oof, not good. Bu hao in Chinese. Bu hao, bu hao, bu hao. Yeah. But, however, if you want to increase your vocabulary, expand your English, and speak like a native Englishman, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification next to it for the latest uploads. But until then, bye for now.